या हो सकता है हम में से कुछ लोगों को फील हो कि जब मैं माइंडफुलनेस की स्थिति में जाना चाहती हूँ, तो ऐसे समय मुझे मेंटली काफी फैटिक फील होता है, मेंटली हम टायर्ड फील करते हैं। इसका अर्थ ये है कि हमें माइंडफुलनेस की और ज्यादा जरूरत है। तो ऐसी कंडीशन में दोस्तों क्या करें हम? ऐसी कंडीशन में जिन लोगों को मेंटली ज्यादा स्ट्रेस फील होता है while concentrating at the time, the walking mindfulness is very essential. Such person should take their sleep. Please turn off your mobile. Please turn off your microphone. आप में से किसी का माइक्रोफोन ऑन है? We are attending the session of mindfulness. So at least
wait a minute. Sachin Tayde sir, please. Sachin Tayde sir, please. Microphone बंद करा. Sachin Tayde sir.
Yes. Sorry, sir.
Please be stable. You are attending the session of mindfulness. Just keep 2 hours for yourself. As we have 24 hours, we reserve 22 hours for you. शांत बैठिए, अपने मन को शांत करिए. Please fix your seat so that you can fix your energy. शांत बैठिए. इनहेल, लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हैं. एक्सेल, लंबी गहरी सांस छोड़ते हैं. इनहेल, एक्सेल, inhale. Please try to close your eyes. Then only you can feel. Mindfulness is not only listening. It is a station of experience. Just feel. Feel what you are feeling now. Try to experience yourself. Try to meet yourself. अपने आप से मिलिए. हम कभी अपने आप से नहीं मिले हैं. आज हमारे पास माइंडफुलनेस सेशन के थ्रू एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल हुआ है, जिसके थ्रू हम अपने आप से मिल सकते हैं. So friends, try to meet yourself. Try to concentrate on your breath. Just observe what is happening when you are inhaling. देखिए, जब आप इस ब्रह्मांड से ऑक्सीजन को ग्रहण कर रहे हैं, तो आपके एब्डोमिनल में, आपके स्टमक में, आपके नाभि के पास, आपकी बेली के पास आपको क्या महसूस होता है? Also observe your heart. देखिए आपके हृदय में, आपके दिल में कैसे थॉट्स आ रहे हैं. Just observe whether you are feeling restless, whether you are feeling uncomfortable, whatever. And if you do this practice regularly, you will get a state when there is no need of to close your eyes. At that time, you will become mindful with your open eyes. But it should take some time. It should require practice, daily practice. Your time should be, your schedule should be fixed. Your place should be fixed. अगर आपको mindful रहना है, तो daily at least you have to give 15 minutes to you, and gradually you can raise your time. So I feel too tired to be mindful. Maybe such type of experience will get by someone. It means we are mentally tired. At that time, just check your sleep. How many hours are required to sleep? Just observe your routine. Just observe your habits. Because rules and regulations are essential. As there is a famous quote, man makes habit, then habit makes man. पहले इंसान आदत बनाता है और फिर वही आदत उस इंसान का भविष्य बनाती है. So just observe your habits. Just check your sleeping hours. How many hours are essential for your sleep? It's depend on the exertion of person, whether it is mental, whether it is physical. So I want to say here, if we are feeling so uncomfortable while doing the practice of mindfulness, just adopt the process of walking mindfulness. It means you have to need of exercise, some yogic practices, some pranayam. In the same manner, maybe some people feel uncomfortable while dealing with mindfulness. It is a common emotion. Just ignore it and shift your focus further on your breath. अगर आपको बेचैनी महसूस हो रही है, अप्रसन्नता महसूस हो रही है, तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपना ध्यान अपनी श्वासों की ओर एकाग्रित करना है. As mindfulness, it is totally depend on your physiology. It is very powerful tool to control yourself. If you are able to control yourself, it means you have the remote control of whole universe. The universe will, the each and every person will listen your words because you are focused, because you are mindful, because you are channelize your energy. And when we integrated our energy at that time, we are able to control the energy of whole universe. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. It is just depend on our emotions, on our feelings, on our thoughts. How can get a person the state of mindfulness? It requires two most important criteria. First is forgiveness. As there is a famous quote in Sanskrit, क्षमा शस्त्रम महत्वपूर्णम शस्त्रम अस्ति। क्षमा शस्त्रम यस्य करे अस्ति तत्र विजयः अपि अस्ति। अर्थात क्षमा रूपी अस्त्र जिसके हाथ में होता है उसके पास विजय ही होती है, यश ही होती है, यश ही होता है, सफलता ही होती है। Forgiveness. I know it is not easy to forgive anyone, but if we forgive anyone from our thoughts, from our mind, from our emotions, means we are able to move on another stage. This is also the important side of mindfulness. क्षमा करिए दिल से, आत्मा से, अपनी भावनाओं से, अपने अनुभवों से। It may be a certain person has taken a place in your heart, a situation, event, place, thing. हम किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति को लेकर बैठ जाते हैं, पकड़ के रख लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमें तकलीफ होती है। तो अगर हमें उस स्थिति से मुक्ति पाना है तो जस्ट फॉरगिव दैट पर्सन, दैट सिचुएशन, दैट प्लेस और थिंग। फ्रेंड्स, it is a powerful tool. Forgive. It is a combination of two words. For plus give. You are ready to give something to someone, and that is your loving energy. Forgiveness is nothing but loving energy. Transform the feeling of harshness. Transform the feeling of hostility. Transform the feeling of opposition. Shama, Shama, Shama. सिर्फ अपने मन में क्षमा का भाव रखिए, क्षमा करिए और आगे बढ़िए। When we forgive to anyone, it means we are able to release the energy of negative thoughts, emotions, and feelings. It means when we release positive thoughts, emotions, and ideas, it attracts the same energy from the person, the place, the thing, or the situation, whosoever it may be. जब हम हमारे हृदय से नकारात्मकता की भावना को निकालेंगे, तभी उसमें किसी और ऊर्जा का समावेश हो सकता है। So just forgive, forgive, forgive. Forgiveness is a base of mindfulness. If we forgive to anyone, it means we are accepting. स्वीकार स्वीकार की भावना अपने आप इनकलकेट हो जाती है. It means we are able to live in present time, present situation, or we can deal anything, whatever it may be. So just keep this feeling. Mindfulness is a habit. It's something. The more one does, the more likely one is to be in that mode with less and less efforts. इसके लिए हमें efforts करने की जरूरत नहीं, because it is an internal process. It doesn't require any external instrument. Just it requires your loving energy, your kindness, your compassion, your empathy. It is a skill that can be learned. ये एक सीखने की कला है. God hasn't given this, but we can inculcate this quality in ourselves. It is accessing something we already have. ये फीलिंग हम में अपने आप में है, सिर्फ हमें इसकी खोज करना है. Just we have to find out. Just we have to invent this energy from our heart, from our emotions, from our feelings. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हैं, लंबी गहरी सांस निकालते हैं. While inhaling, just feel you are observing, you are receiving the cosmic power of the universe, the cosmic energy of the universe. Just feel, inhale, exhale. While exhaling, just feel you are emitting toxins from your mind, body, and soul. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. While inhaling and exhaling, if you take Namaskar Mudra, if you are able to join your both the hands, so please join it. Namaskar Mudra between your chest, between your breast. It means you're keeping your both hands between your heart. What is the advantage of this Namaskar Mudra, or the combining of hand? If we take the position of Namaskar Mudra, we are able to balance our positive and negative energy. It is also one of the technique to concentrate on our breath. Please close your eyes. Your face should be smiling. हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट. आप एक शांत अवस्था में हैं. शांति को महसूस कर रहे हैं. You are in the state of calmness. You are quiet. You are feeling peace from your mind, body, and soul. Try to join your both hands and please close your eyes because you all are going in the state of mindfulness. आप सभी माइंडफुलनेस की स्थिति को प्राप्त कर रहे हैं. ऐसी भावना अपने मन में उत्पन्न करिए. माइंडफुलनेस, माइंडफुलनेस, माइंडफुलनेस. Mindfulness is nothing but a positive action, a positive emotion, a positive sensations. Just try to forgive, try to keep this emotion. Be comfortable, sit very straight. सीधे बैठने की कोशिश करिए because your mind is connected to your spine. There is a direct relationship between our mind and spine. If we sit properly, it means there is a proper alignment between your mind and body, and automatically it will implement on your soul. So, be straight, sit very comfortable, whether you are seated on ground or in the chair, wherever. Please close your eyes, try to close, at least for this time. And friends, take a long deep breath. Long breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in through your nostrils. Breathe out through your nose or mouth, wherever you are comfortable. It's depend on your comfort zone. Allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm. आप अपनी ब्रीथ को, आप अपने श्वास को परमिट करिए कि वो प्रकृति की रिदम को प्राप्त करे. Because you are the controller of your breath. Whatever you feel, whatever you will say to yourself, your breath will listen, your words only, not other ones. Try to tell something to your breath. That is focus. Only focus and focus. Be channelize your energy. Be channelize your power, your emotions, your sensations. Use your sensations. Give instructions to your mind. Just control. Give instructions to your ears. Just listen. Listen, listen, listen. Only positive thoughts. Only positive emotions. Only good things. Just give instructions to your breath. Only accept good things. Just give instructions to yourself. Tell your breath, I want to get, I want to receive only positive energy. If you will give instructions to your mind and breath, they will listen, because you are the controller of your breath, you are the controller of your mind. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. See what is happening. Which kind of thoughts are going in your mind? Maybe you see some person. Maybe you remember some situation in this time. Just remember, किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति को जिसने आपको भूतकाल में दर्द दिया है, तकलीफ दी है, जिसकी वजह से आपको लगता है कि आपका नुकसान हुआ है। अपने दिल से, by heart, just sit in front of that person. It may be a situation, it may be a thing, fear of anyone, fear from any situation, whatsoever. Whatever guilt you have in your heart, you have the feeling of repent, पश्चाताप की भावना, फील कर रहे हो पश्चाताप? उस व्यक्ति को अपने सामने देखिए. Please close your eyes. Be calm and quiet. You all are in the state of mindfulness. Mindfulness is nothing but focusing on breath. So, let's focus on your breath. इसे बार बार बोलना होता है, तो अपने श्वासों को आज्ञा दीजिए, फोकस करें. आपके चेहरे पर हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट. देखिए उस व्यक्ति को, देखिए उस सिचुएशन को, उस वस्तु को, स्थान को, जिसको आप आपके दिलो दिमाग से निकाल नहीं पा रहे हैं. Just feel that thing, person, place is seated in front of you. You both are seated in front of each other. Just communicate through your feelings and energy. Share your views, ideas, because the feeling of guilt arises, dispute arises, bad relationship arises because of communication. So just release and emit loving energy from your heart and feel that fellow, whatever it may be, is also emitting loving energy, kind energy. You are trying to understand the feeling of that person, situation, or thing, or place, whatsoever. Just feel, friends. Forgive. Bring all your attention to noticing each in-breath as it enters your nostrils. आपकी नासिका से एनर्जी आप ले रहे हो, अपनी श्वासों को ग्रहण कर रहे हो, जस्ट फील ट्रेवल डाउन टू योर लंग्स। आप आपके ट्रैवल से, बिकॉज अवर लंग्स, हिंदी में इसको फेफड़ा बोलते हैं, मराठी में इसको फुफ्फुस बोलते हैं। आप अपने लंग्स से उस एनर्जी को ग्रहण कर रहे हैं, श्वास के माध्यम से ग्रहण कर रहे हैं। Causes your belly to expand. When the air passes through your lungs, it reaches to your belly. Feel the connection between. Whenever we heard from anyone at that time, we feel pain in our heart. हम बोलते हैं कि किसी ने हमारा दिल दुखा दिया। Please inhale, exhale. Please, divine soul, turn off your microphone. आप में से किसी का माइक्रोफोन ऑन है, उसे भी शांत रहने दीजिए। Just be connected with your breath and notice each out breathe as your belly contract. It is a process of expansion and contraction. When we heal, when we receive the cosmic energy of Brahmand, the cosmic energy from the universe, we feel our heart, there is a process of expansion of our heart. और हम बोलते हैं ना, हमारा दिल बड़ा होना चाहिए. And it is that situation. We will become broad-minded, not narrow-minded. And when you will exhale, just feel contraction, संकुचन, आपके बेली के पास, आपके नाभि के पास आपको महसूस हो रहा है. Your belly contracts and air moves up through the lungs, back up through the nostrils, your mouth. Invite your full attention to flow with your breath. Invite your breath as in our day-to-day life. If there is an occasion, if there is a program anywhere, if that person will invite us, then only we will go in the same manner. Our breath also wants invitation and respect from its side. सम्मान चाहिए, हमारी श्वास को भी सम्मान चाहिए. अगर वो दिशाहीन होंगी तो हम भी दिशाहीन होंगे. तो आपकी एनर्जी को, आपकी श्वास को दिशा प्रदान करिए. आप दिशा दाता है, आपको ही दिशा देनी है, क्योंकि ये एनर्जी आप में समाई है. You are the accumulator of energy. Please turn off your microphone. Just concentrate on your breath. Breathe. देखिए हम कितने अशांत हैं, कितनी अशांति महसूस हो रही है कि आप अपने माइक्रोफोन को भी ऑफ नहीं कर पा रहे. Feel, just feel. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Through the oxygen, you are observing the kindness, compassion, willpower, and confidence from the universe. When you will exhale, just feel you are releasing the energy of fear, bad habits, toxins, or the energy of disease, Try to feel these words with your breath. Try to connect with the cosmic platform of mindfulness. Mindfulness is nothing but the divine energy of the universe, the divine power of the universe, the divine authority of the universe. There is a something supreme power who is running this universe. We don't know who he or she is, but something is there who is controlling the whole universe. Without the desire of the cosmic energy, without the desire, without the will of Almighty, we can't do anything. एक पत्ता भी ईश्वर की इच्छा के बिना नहीं हिल सकता. So, just forgive, and forgive. If you are distracted by sounds in the room, wherever you are doing this process, don't try to avoid it. Just concentrate on your breath. Just focus your emotions and bring your attention back to your breath. Simply breathe as you breathe. No striving to change anything. जैसे भी आप श्वास को ले रहे हैं, whether it is fast, whether it is slow, just intake your energy. Try to observe your energy. Just become observer. Just become the witness. If we are able to become a third person, then only there will be no side effect on our emotions, thoughts, body and mind. So, always become third person. Just be judgmental. Don't criticize to anyone. Just forgive. Forgive. If your mind wanders to thoughts, plans or problems, simply notice the wandering of your mind. आपका मन भटक रहा है. देखो उसको, वो क्या क्या करवा रहा है आपसे. उसे देखने की कोशिश करिए. वो आपको क्या क्या दिखा रहा है, क्या क्या सुना रहा है, कैसी कैसी अनुभूतियां दे रहा है. देखिए, लेकिन साक्षी भाव से. आप पर उसका कोई असर नहीं होना चाहिए. Just become observer. If your mind place each thought that arises on a leaf. देखिए, तूफान होता है. तूफान होने के बावजूद भी एक पत्ता होता है जो अपने स्थान से नहीं हिल पाता है. Because of the focusing power on breathe, because of the focusing power of the energy. एक पत्ता जो तूफान आने के बाद भी उसमें अविचलित रहता है, उसकी इच्छा के कारण, उस परम पिता परमात्मा की इच्छा के कारण. So, it is not our work to criticize to anyone, whether it is God, it is good or bad, situation is good or bad. Just observe. Friends, just observe the person to whom it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just here, you have to take only one situation, one person, one place. And deal with them with smiley face. Just observe. Your head. Inhale. Exhale. Your forehead. आपका कपाल. देखिए कैसे सेंसेशंस आ रहे हैं आपकी कपाल में. Inhale. Exhale. Your face. आपका चेहरा. Your nose. Your lips. कभी हमने फील नहीं किया. Your ears. महसूस करिए अपने बॉडी पार्ट्स को. We are trying to get the situation of relaxation, because when we will get the state of relaxation, then only we can forgive anyone. Forgive anyone. Your cheeks, your chin, your toes, your trunk. It means your joint part of your body. Your eyebrows becomes relaxed. Your eyes become relaxed. Your nose is totally relaxed. Nothing is getting your nose, your lips, your neck on front side, your neck on the back side. Just feel your head, and each and every organ of your head is totally become relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Your shoulders, your axilla, the lower part of your shoulder become relaxed. Whenever I will utter any name of your body organ, just you have to inhale and exhale. Just you have to concentrate on your particular body parts, whichever I will utter. So your shoulders become relaxed, your axilla become relaxed, the lower part of your shoulder, आपका कंधा रिलैक्स हो गया है. Please turn off your microphone. Please turn off your microphone. Your arm, your elbow, your forearm, your wrist, your hand, 10 fingers of your both hands. Just feel. Just feel. These parts become totally relaxed. Please try to close your eyes. Be comfortable. Sit very straight. Because you never ever try to get this straight. So I can understand your situation. But try. Because if you will try, if you'll practice, then only you can get this situation. Your chest, your waist, your umbilical, it means your belly, आपकी नाभि. हमें पता है कि हमारी नाभि में ही हमारी संपूर्ण शक्तियां होती है. As there are two parts of our body, our upper body, our lower body. Our lower part of body is very important. Our reproductive system, Our whole energy is accumulated in our belly. As you observe, whenever I utter inhale, it is related to your heart. Exhale, it means it is related to your belly. We have our whole power on the near of our belly. There is our reproductive system. If our energy goes on upper side, it means it is an upliftment of our personality. If our energy goes on downward, it is a decaying process. Always try to give proper direction to your energy through your belly. आपकी नाभि में ही ब्रह्मांड की संपूर्ण शक्तियां हैं. ईश्वर कहीं और नहीं होता है. We all are the representative of God Almighty. The God is living in our heart. God is living in our energy. So, just inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Your hips become relaxed. Your thigh become relaxed. Your knee, आपका घुटना पूरी तरह से रिलैक्स हो गया है. Your ankle, आपकी एड़िया रिलैक्स हो गई है. Your foot, आपके दोनों पैर रिलैक्स हो गए. Your toes, आपके पैरों की उंगलियां भी रिलैक्स हो गई. Now the back side of your body, your buttocks become relaxed. The back side of your body, that is your buttock. Your calf muscle become relaxed. Calf muscle, it means आपके घुटने के नीचे जो लोअर पार्ट है उसके पीछे का भाग. Your calf muscle become totally relaxed. Your heel also relax. Relax, relax, relax. You are in the state of relaxation. You are in the state of comfort. Just feel what you are feeling now. How is the frequency of your breath? Whether it is fast, whether it is slow. Just try to understand your feeling. Friends, when we are in the state of anger, just remember, how was the force of energy? How was the frequency of your breath? And when we are calm and cool, how is the flow of your breath? There is a controversy between inhalation and exhalation. It means positive and negative. When we are in the state of positive direction, our breath is slow, calm and cool. When we are in the state of negative situation, our breath becomes fast. And the universe has given us only breath and it is countable. हम देखते हैं, हम में से जो हमारे एंसेस्टर्स हैं, हमारे जो ऋषि मुनि हैं, उनमें से कईयों की उम्र लाखों वर्ष थी. Because of only breath, God has given us only breath, countable breath. If we channelize our breath, if we are able to slow our breath, we can raise our life. अगर हम हमारी श्वासों को धीमा कर पाते हैं तो हमारी उम्र अपने आप बढ़ जाती है, क्योंकि ईश्वर ने हमें सांसें ही दी है. Just I want to quote here the example of tortoise. The life of tortoise is more than other living being. I think more than 300 years. Why? Just see the image of tortoise. जब वो पानी से बाहर आता है तो देखिए अपने शरीर को संकुचित कर लेता है, श्वासों को रोक लेता है. अगर हम उससे टच करते हैं, उसे नुकसान पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, तो अपने पूरे बॉडी पार्ट्स को अंदर की ओर संकुचित कर लेता है, आकुंचित कर लेता है और अपने श्वास को रोक कर रखता है. एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल with control of breathe only. Therefore, concentrate on your breath. कुछ भी पा सकते हैं हम, कुछ भी, सिर्फ और सिर्फ श्वासों के माध्यम से. कुछ भी. Everything is possible because it is a rule of universe. Whatever thoughts comes in human mind, it is just a materialization of energy. Thoughts comes in our mind means we can do that thing. And what is the source? What is the instrument for materialization, for materializing that thought is only your breath. So, further, be focused on your breath. Try to understand yourself. Don't try to understand anyone. Don't try to change anyone. Just transform yourself. दूसरों को बदलने की कोशिश अगर हम ना करें तो ही अच्छा है. अगर हम अपने आप को बदल लेते हैं तो पूरी दुनिया बदल जाती है. So, just transform yourself. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Just inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just feel. I stand within a universe of possibility. मैं इस विश्व की पॉसिबिलिटी में खड़ा हूं जहां उतार चढ़ाव आ रहे हैं. The fluctuations are going, the ups and downs are going in our life, in our surrounding. But we are the one who is capable to deal any situation, any circumstances, any event, whether it is possible or impossible, whether it is positive or negative. You are stand in the possibilities of the universe All kinds of possibilities are existing here. Try to get which kind of possibility, which kind of opportunity do you want from the universe. Just feel you draw good things into your life from the universe. आप इस विश्व की अच्छी चीजों को ही ग्रहण कर रहे हैं. सोचिए, सब कुछ सोच से ही होता है. सोचोगे तो पाओगे, इसलिए सोचिए. I attract abundance, prosperity, happiness, goodness, good things, positive impact from our surrounding. Just feel from your mind, body, and soul. Just feel you have amazing strength within you. All powers are existing in you. Just try to awake that power. अपनी शक्तियों को जागृत करिए, प्रयास करिए. प्रयास के बिना कुछ नहीं मिलता. जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो कुछ देना होगा. फोकस दीजिए, एकाग्रता प्रदान कीजिए अपनी ऊर्जा को, एकाग्रता प्रदान कीजिए अपने श्वासों को, अपने श्वासों को महत्वपूर्णता प्रदान कीजिए. जब आप अपने श्वासों को इंपॉर्टेंस देंगे तभी आपकी श्वास भी आपको भी इंपॉर्टेंस देंगी. रूल ऑफ डिसिप्लिन, गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी. If you will give, you will take. So it is just exchange process. Feel, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Beautiful things coming into your life. Just feel. इस ब्रह्मांड की सुंदरता आप में समा रही है. इस ब्रह्मांड की शक्तियां आपकी ओर आकर्षित हो रही है. Because you have attractive personality. There is a rule. Like energy attracts like energy. If you have positive energy, you will also attract positive energy. Just feel beautiful ideas, innovative ideas, creative ideas are coming in your life. Just take that ideas, emotions, and feelings through your breath. Accept. Just keep the feeling of acceptance. Don't judge here. Whatever we are doing in present time, it is just a practice of our past. So try to change your habit. It is possible. Daily do this practice. Try to keep yourself in the state of breathing system. Just inhale, exhale. I'm not my past. Just feel you're not your past. You're just creating your future. What you are realizing in this time, just feel, because you are in the state of alpha. And here, the energy, the frequency of alpha stage is deeper. Your mind is relaxed. Your brain is ready to accept these things which I am uttering here. Just believe. Just try to trust. If there is a trust, then only possibility. You trust, you can walk. You trust, then only you walk. So just inculcate the emotion of trust, loyalty, honesty in yourself. Trust yourself. Trust other one. Because if we are able to trust ourselves, then only we are able to trust anyone. We stand in the possibility of the universe. There are so many opportunities are in your surrounding. Just believe. What you want to get from that, just select. As we select our wearing for our day-to-day life, as you select your today's wearing for this session, as you select food for eating, as you select your habits, your interest, whatever you want to select, in the same manner, you have right to select which kind of things you want in your life. Just select, just feel. You stand in the possibilities of the universe, in the opportunity of the universe, in the creativity of the universe. The Almighty is ready to give these things to you people. Just keep the feeling of acceptance. Just live in present. This is the state of present. If you are trying to feel my emotions, if you are trying to receive my words, it means you are living in present. Just try to live in present. Don't bother whether I can take or not. Just give instructions to your breath. You want this thing, it means you can. अपनी श्वासों को आज्ञा दीजिए, ब्रह्मांड से आपको ये चीज चाहिए, ये ऊर्जा चाहिए, ये वस्तु चाहिए, whatsoever you want. Just give instructions to your breath. Just feel. Just trust. Trust yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You have faith in yourself. You are confident, growing in your life. Just feel you are in safe zone. All is good in this universe. Nothing is bad. Just it is a creation of our mind, body and soul. Just it is creation of our thoughts, our emotions, our ideas. So try to change it. Just give yourself self-care each day. Just give importance to yourself. Because if you will give importance to yourself, then only you can take importance from another side. So give respect to yourself. Then only you are able to take respect from another one. Just feel your talented personality, and you are discovering talent from the universe. Just feel, or All good things are coming in your life through your emotions, through your feelings, through your ideas. Now, just forgive that person, that situation, that event. रिलीज करिए उसे अपने माइंड से, अपने थॉट से, अपनी आइडिया से, और क्षमा करिए. And just feel the feeling of universe, the feeling of gratitude. Express your feeling of gratitude. धन्यवाद की भावना अपने मन में रखिए और क्षमा करिए. तभी हमारे जीवन का, हमारे मन का और हमारे श्वास का विकास हो पाएगा. Try to connect yourself. Always forgive. Always forgive. Just feel. As you forgive yourself, it becomes easier to forgive others. तो सबसे पहले अपने आप को क्षमा करिए, तभी हम किसी और को क्षमा कर पाएंगे. धन्यवाद का भाव रखिए. धन्यवाद दीजिए उस परमपिता परमात्मा को जिसने आपको इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है माइंडफुलनेस सेशन को अटेंड करने की. Definitely, if you will give 15 minutes of your schedule, 15 minutes of your life, it will transform you. So just feel the feeling of gratitude, thankfulness. धन्यवाद दीजिए अपने आप को, धन्यवाद दीजिए इस यूनिवर्स को, धन्यवाद दीजिए उन सभी को जिसकी वजह से आज आप शांत हो, एकाग्र हो, फोकस्ड हो. ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट. Just feel. Thank you so much. अपने आप को बोलिए. Thank you so much to me. Thank you so much to Almighty. Just take your own time. 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 Slowly come back. Rub your palm. Apply on your face and head. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all you divine souls. Because of you people, today I'm to share my energy. I'm able to share my knowledge. Thank you so much.
And to the world also, gripping the nation and severely affecting all the regular academic activities. All academic institutions have been closed for a while, and we are still not sure when we will be able to resume our regular traditional duties. When I say traditional duties, regular duties, I am crystal clear that the traditional classroom teaching learning process. The teaching learning is on. Like just we are having this workshop on mindfulness. Academics like COVID-19 come in a way. They just give you a notice. They come in a wave. Rapidly they come like tsunami. Under corona pandemic, there is a dire need to improve our public health system. I repeat, there is a dire need to increase our public health system. In view of this, it is indeed really a matter of great pride that the RDG College of Women Akola has taken up this workshop on mindfulness. The principal of this college, the young dynamic figure, Dr. Devendra, Dr. Bhatti, and all my dear colleagues who have been involved and entangled in this organization of such a meaningful workshop on mindfulness. As a matter of fact, it appears that there will be a drastic change in overall dynamics of the higher education system in future. When we talk of lockdown, what does it mean? Is it the only remedy? Is it the only medication? By and large, answer is yes. To stop or to restrict the transmission of this hazardous virus, corona, lockdown, physical distancing, staying at home, these are the acknowledged and established, approved and proved medications and remedies to stop, to restrict corona. The exact picture regarding how the situation will take a turn is not yet clear. So what would be the picture during and after lockdown? I know many of you are trying your best to reach out to the students. We being the teachers, that is our dharma. And it's our moral duty to stick up to our dharma. That through online mode are taking classes and preparing study materials. However, in middle income and lower income families, this situation may not be conducive for online teaching. So in view of corona pandemic, what is again of significance, of great significance, is the mental health, psychological concerns, and well-being of students. When we look at the well-being of our students, our pupil, we as teachers need to be fit, both physically and mentally. It has been rightly said and accepted that a healthy mind bears, a healthy body bears a healthy mind. So body to be healthy, fit and fine, there are different medications. But what about the medications or the remedies for mind to be healthy? When we say that this is my body, are we sure that we do have absolute control over it? When
Sir, I think your audio is, your internet connection is poor. Please check it. We are not audible.
ample time. I'm not audible.
Yes, yes. Okay.
I'm not audible.
Now you are audible.
Yes.
Now you are audible. Please continue.
The nature has provided us an opportunity, that peace required to know ourselves. So for last, say, 30, 40 days, we have been living in, a sort of peaceful, calm and quiet atmosphere. We are not going out. We are not leaving the homes. We are living in the homes. So let us avail this opportunity. Let us make a good use of it. Know oneself first. Know ourselves first. Know our body. The machines, the innovative machines like X-ray machines and MRI machines, the CT scanners, all they can talk about. They can diagnose your body, but not your mind. So mind is such a funny and mysterious thing. Only I can understand, only I can control, only I can know my mind. So what the trainer rightly said, I had been witnessing, I had been watching the question answer and some of the, I mean, the last session of the madam, what she said is absolutely significant and I mean, absolutely correct. I remind a famous poem by Oliver Goldsmith. I could see some known faces. Mr. Principal Kiran Khandari is there. The village schoolmaster. The gist of the poem is that there is a village schoolmaster and he is master of everything. The poor pupils and the, I mean, the citizens of the small town, they used to gather, they used to attend his classes, his preaching, his lectures and all that. And they were stunned, they used to be stunned, surprised to know as to how and what quantum of knowledge this village schoolmaster possesses in his small head. So what is that thing that can possess, that can carry such a big amount of, such a big treasure of knowledge? That is mind. So let us refresh this mind. Let us not make it dirty. So through these sessions of mindfulness, I am sure you must have benefited. You must have gained some directions to undertake, to implement, to pick all those, rather at least some of those measures into ourselves and make a very good use of it. What does it mean? There are medications for body. Body to be fit, there are some medications. We can go to a doctor. But mind to be fit, there is no doctor as such. We are the master of those minds. We are the doctors of our minds. So let us master our mind first. Let us make good use of this period. Let us be positive. What for? So that the corona impact and COVID-19 effect shall be negative. Let there be always positive thoughts, because mind thinks in a different dimensions, almost 360 degrees, it thinks invariably round the clock. So let us not, I mean, permit our mind to enter some otherwise things into it. Let us restrict all those things at entry point. So let us make our mind very clear, open for all such virtues, and let us close it for all evils. Let us prick all virtuous elixirs into our minds so that it would think positive, positive, and positive all the while. And let us make good use of this positive thinking, because what we will prick into it, the mind will come out with all those things only, and it will start thinking in a very pure manner, very appropriate manner, and in a logical manner. So mind to be logical. Let us not talk of legal things. Let us talk of logics. Let me be very frank enough that I am not a psychologist. I am neither a psychologist, nor a philosopher, nor a psychiatrist, but I am a student of language. I am a student of literature. What literature and day-to-day administration for last 20-25 years has taught me is the pious thinking. When I use this word pious, it has a very special connotation. Let that piety be there. Let that purity be there in our attitude, in our behavior, so that the mind automatically start thinking positively, and will definitely reflect all those things. It will definitely sound all our actions likewise. And I'm sure the different sessions since yesterday would definitely be of great benefit, great use to all the participants who have participated this seminar. I mean, from different corners, almost from every corner of our India. I wish, rather, I express my sincere gratitude and sense of, appreciation towards the organizers, the principal, the office bearers, the management of Bharatiya Seva Sadan Akola, the trainer, and everybody involved in this organization on such a significant topic. Last but not least, I express my gratitude to the organizers and especially my young friend, Principal Dr. Devendra, for having me invited for this valedictory function and given me an opportunity to interact with you and to be a part of this significant workshop on such important topic. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. At very short notice, you have accepted our invitation, and this shows your goodness of mind as well as goodness of heart. Thank you, sir,
Thank
from
you,
our
thank
bottom
you.
of heart.
Thank you.
I request the head of Commerce Department, respected Dr. Ambadasji Pandey, sir, to express vote of thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I, Dr. Ambadas Pandey,
Mobile
and organizer of this workshop, taking this opportunity to offer the sincere thanks for this workshop. First and foremost,
Please start. Please start, sir.
thank you, sir. I, Dr. Ambadas Pandey, HOD, Department of Commerce, and organizer of this workshop, taking this opportunity to offer my sincere thanks for this workshop. First and foremost, I am very much grateful for our president and our source of inspiration, respected Dilip Babu Goenka, for providing us unscripted support and valuable guidance in the organization of this workshop. I also extend my most sincere thanks to our Vice President, respected Sri Gopi Babuji Bajuri, Sri Ravi Babuji Goenka, and Secretary Sri Arup Babuji Goenka for their kind support and encouragement. I express gratitude towards Honorable Dr. Ajay Deshmukh, Registrar, Mumbai University, Mumbai, for joining this valedictory function, guide and motivate us with these valuable words. I express my thanks to our principal and chief organizer of this workshop, Dr. Devendraji Vyas sir, for his spontaneous support and guidance to arrange this workshop. I am very much thankful to all the delegates who have joined this workshop from various parts of our country and took active part for making grand success of this event. I am also thankful to Professor Sanjay Vite, IPC coordinator and organizing secretary of this workshop, as well as Professor Lalit Bipati, co-coordinator IPC, for their sincere efforts and contributions. I am thankful to the trainer of this innovative workshop, Dr. Rupa Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, for her excellent presentation and guidance to make our life happy and peaceful. Similarly, I am thankful to Professor Parimal Mujumdar, Professor Nitin Chaudhary, Sri Swapnil Jain, Sri Yogesh Banai, Sri Yogesh Surve, Sri Dnyaneshwar Avare, Sri Amar Agrawal, Sri Sunil Maule, for providing technical support for the grand success of this workshop. Thank you once again to one and all who have directly and indirectly provided us support and guidance to make this event successful. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Respected all participants, I request you to fill your feedback form very correctly so that you will get a certificate for the same on your email. Do care of yourself. Thank you for your support and for your response. Thank you very much.